I just received this 100-piece clear plastic plate set from Aya's Cutlery Kingdom, and they are so nice. You're going to be receiving 50 of these smaller plates as well as 50 of these larger dinner plates. Now, the 50 dinner plates measure 9 inches across, while the smaller plates, which are perfect for appetizers, salad, or dessert too, measure approximately 6.5 inches across. And they're very elegant, nice and clear, crystal clear in fact. So this is perfect for when you're serving your guests and you want something a little bit more durable than paper plates, then this is what's going to be right for you. And look how nice these are. You can even stack them on top of each other for a nice elegant touch. Definitely great for birthday parties, weddings, bridal showers, baby showers, holiday parties, and so much more. Definitely recommend it for all your party needs. You can even use this in your home, and they're also reusable too. Or you can dispose of it because they are recyclable. Sometimes after a party, you just want to throw it away and not do any dishes. Am I right? Or if you want, they're durable enough for you to wash them by hand with some soap and water and reuse it time and time again. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.